to your channel, Nomadic Hippie.
Oh, damn. Listen to the series.
Whoa, my stereo turned on all by itself. Right when I pressed record on my camera, my stereo kicked on. Anyway, guys, welcome to a quick little unboxing video. I got a couple boxes. I'm only going to do one now and do another one later. One of them I'm kind of excited about, and I'll tell you about it in just a second. First, let me apologize about the engine noise. If you can hear it, right back here, there is a trailer with an engine running, and there's nothing I can do about it at the moment. So hopefully it's not coming through just too crazy. All right, so right now at the moment I'm using this Ceremonic 500 wireless microphone. Actually, it's connected to a lav, but it's not connected to the camera. It's totally 100% wireless. And I shot a video using this product for the first time about a week ago. You can go back on my channel and check that out. And it came out okay. I was really pleased with the sound quality. Now, obviously with this sound back here, I don't know how this thing, if this microphone, if you're hearing me or hearing this engine noise back here, I don't know. I'm actually hoping that you're not picking that up. But like I said, it's a diesel motor back there, loud as heck. So if it is muffling it some, I'm going to be pretty impressed. But I did post a video last week doing kind of a distance test from the camera and everything, and lo and behold, some people that create microphones seen that video. Next thing you know, I'm getting emails from a company, and they said, hey, we are an Amazon seller, and we sell wireless mics and wired mics, you know, for your laptops, for your cameras, or you can go wireless. And we'd like to send you some if, you know, and if you like it, please leave a positive Amazon review. But if you don't like it, you know, be honest. Be honest. And I said, you know what? Sure. You want to send me a microphone? Fine. I wasn't really happy with the microphone that I received from Fine. They did the same thing. Excuse me. Basically because it wasn't one of these type of mics like this Blue Yeti here. It was specifically, you needed a Windows. I swallowed something. And I don't know what it was. But it needs to have Windows drivers or Mac. It didn't work on Chrome or anything else. So I actually couldn't use it at the time. I'm going to have to go back and revisit that microphone because it seemed well built. It's just, it was something I couldn't use. And they did send it to me to test and leave an Amazon review, and I did. And in my Amazon review, I basically said what I just told you guys. And I let the people know at this other company, hey, you know, your product better be spectacular. And they said, oh, I think you're really going to enjoy it. And I said, okay, well, I hope so, because there's going to be a YouTube video about it, and there is also going to be an Amazon review. So we're going to test it out. Right now, I'm just going to do an unboxing, and then in the future, I'll go ahead and do a test connected to my Nitro 5 gaming laptop. So we'll see how that goes, and we'll also see how it works using it with the camera. Not only this idle cam, which I'm starting to get more use out of, but also something like that you know, a lot of other people would have would be an Osmo product from DJI. So I will test out that microphone on a DJI Osmo Action also. So that's the plan anyway. So I'm going to put this Amazon box away because I know, hold on, no, I'm going to put this one away, this big box. This is the one I'm really excited about. This is actually from DJI. Have no idea what's in it. I'm excited. It's a good sized box. So hopefully it's something awesome. It's really light though. So it's not a drone. I don't know what they sent me. So let's go ahead and rip open this package here, and I'll tell you who it's from and what, and the company, and I'll do a quick little unboxing, and we'll see what their product looks like. And I will leave an Amazon link in the description of this video if you guys want to check them out on Amazon. But like I said, this is just going to be an unboxing and not a review. The review will come later this week after I've had a chance to test it out. And I actually don't know if it's going to mute diesel sounds and choo-choo trains and everything else, as well as this Ceramonic or Rode or even this Blue Yeti here does. So well, we'll just have to see. Anyway, first off, let me go ahead and break out my unboxing knife and rip this incredible Amazon tape, which it cut very easily. And let's scroll this on down here to the box so you guys can see the unboxing. Pan that on down there just a little bit and open this thing up. Yes, that's my address. I don't need to hide it. Okay, so let's see what all this stuff is. Oh, this is that good kind. I wonder how loud this stuff is. It's bigger than regular bubble wrap. Let's see, my microphone's up here. It's not by the camera. Ooh, wow, that's a good one. All right, so this is what we are looking at right here. This is the company. It's a nice box. I really like the box. Nice printing. Let me turn it around here so I can read it, because I cannot read upside down. WOQED, wearable wireless microphone. You guys read it before I did. So right here on the front of the box, on the very front here, it says mobile. It works on mobile phones, trolley active speaker, teaching. It works for teaching equipment. You can plug it into a mixer. It'll work on your home theater or your computer. So I'm really excited to test this out. I'm going to use it on a camera, and I will be using it on my laptop to see how. As a matter of fact, I'll probably even test it out on a Chromebook. Why not? Why not? And a mobile phone. Let's see. I have all these devices. Might as well check them out. All right. So, real fast, how do we open this thing? Oh, right here. We do it right. Oh, shouldn't have cut my nails. Dun, dun, dun. So right off the bat, you get instructions. Yay. And I'm receiving a phone call on my phone. Let me decline that over there. I don't need to be accepting phone calls while I'm shooting a video. List of products and accessories. You get a transmitter, microphone. You get two transmitters, one receiver, 3-in-1 charging cables, 6.5 millimeter plug, net set 2, don't know what that is, a user's manual, dual head, conversation head 1, and a box 1. So it must have a carrying pouch. So you get all this stuff in here. And I will tell you the price and everything of what this thing costs, because I did look on Amazon once I found out what I was receiving. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, look at that. No stickers. So this company does not send you stickers, but there's your instruction manual. We'll look at that later. Okay, right off the bat, I can tell you just by touching this, and I don't know what this is. Okay, this is a microphone, a wireless mic. Nice. Comes with the built-in mic, no lav needed. And your little clippy clip. I can tell you right off the bat, I love this Ceramonic that I'm using right now and wearing right now, but the plastic is just light. It's just a light plastic. And I explained that in my Ceramonic unboxing video. It just has a cheap feel to it, even though it's a very expensive product. It just has a cheap feel to it. Now this is a cheap product. All this came, I think all this is $49. You get all of this for $49 from this company. Oh, it's flexible too. You could bend it. I guess you can clip this anywhere you want it to. Clip it on your belt clip it on the side of your laptop. You can clip it anywhere and just flex this down toward your mouth. But this is, it's not USB Type-C, it's regular USB here. I'll talk about all that in a second. I just seen that. This is heavy. This one little microphone weighs more than this Ceramonic transmitter and my receiver all in one. And about the same size. This is just thinner. But this one unit weighs more than this. And my other one combined, I would say. So that's one microphone. We get a second microphone, and each one does have a wind muff on it. You know, even if you're not going to use it out in the wind much, say you're going to use it in your truck or in your RV or wherever, this would help the popping of the peas also. So it could be a popper stopper. Looks good on there. So you got a popper stopper there, and you got another one for the other microphone. I'll set that over here. You know what? Let me put it on. Might as well put it on too. Though these always get lost. Oh, you know what? Let's leave it off. Okay, here we have the receiver, and has a little antenna on it, which is odd. You would think it's odd, but I think I know why it's not odd, because this does not, it's wireless, but I don't believe it uses Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. I actually think these are UHF, which actually transmit further. I'm gonna have to read the instructions, but that's what that looks like to me. It looks like a UHF, which would be a good thing. You get a lot more distance. And I don't know if this comes off or that it looks like it might unsnap, but it looks like it unscrews, and then you can unsnap it. But the only thing here is a button and USB. So you get that. You get a couple cables here. You get a splitter cable for right and left, or you know, say you want to, I don't know. Has a plug for a cell phone, because there's 3 of them there, so it doesn't have the 2. But I have the adapters, but so I could plug that into a cell phone or a laptop right now. Into the camera, I would have to use the wire that is connected to this Ceramonic. I have to use this wire, so that's okay. I have the wires. I'm good to go. And yeah, so that should plug right into your cell phone or your laptop computer and work right out of the box. If you have a bigger jack, obvious, which that's crazy. That's very large. I haven't seen one of these in a long time. But yeah, and then you got your 3 charging, so you can charge both the receivers, or both the transmitters and the receiver. You can do them all at the same time. And yeah, so that's nice. So yeah, I'll put all this away in a second. Let's scroll up back to my noggin. Come on, camera, get up there, no cat. So so far, without using the product, nice packaging, nice boxing, nice unboxing. Everything was laid out in there really nice. You get a lot of stuff for $49. You get, like I said, you get the 2 transmitters. And there's one with the muff on it. I got the muff on one. I didn't get it on the other one. They fit tight. Very heavy. Seems high quality, and the flex part is rather stiff and nice. So, and it seems to stay in place. So you bend it down and it'll stay in place. It doesn't flop around. I like that. Don't know how long it'll last like that, but for right now, all right, not bad. Put this away. I'm putting it back in the box because I'm not going to test it out today. And then anyway, then you get the 1 receiver, which is heavy also, and it's not that, it's got a solid shell. So that's what I like about it. It feels good. Don't know about that antenna though. I'm sure it's Wi-Fi or UHF. So let's close that up, and I will let you know if it is UHF before I end this video. As a matter of fact, it may say right here. Transmitting 10 watts, receiving 90 cc, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. Okay, okay. These are in English. Okay, so the instructions. The instructions do not. Oh yeah, they do. So say they don't come in English, but they do. 1 to 2 wireless microphones, operated method. But it does not say if it's UHF. but I'm sure in the Amazon link it does. I just didn't really dig too far into the Amazon thing, but you can, because I'm going to leave a link in the description below. And yeah, so for the price, I would say right now I would be happy. I would feel like I got my money's worth just from picking the product up and holding it. Use case though, or not use case, but in use, I don't know yet. This video isn't about that, like I said. Anyway, so there we go for the unboxing of the WOQED brand wireless microphone, available on Amazon for $49. And I can tell you, I did click the link, and they have numerous mics to suit all your needs. So I just don't know how any of them work yet or how they sound. We'll just have to see, and I will give you my honest opinion. And for the creators and the awesome people that sent me this, thank you so much. And I will leave your Amazon review in about 14 days. Like I said, once I get done testing it out. And I appreciate it. I don't know if I'm supposed to say this is a sponsored video or a non-sponsored video, because I have the freedom to say what I want, though they did send me this product for free. So it's either sponsored or not sponsored. I don't know. I don't deal with that stuff too well. Anyway, until the next time, guys, thank you all for checking this video out, and I will see you on the next one with another unboxing. And it'll be a surprise one, because I honestly don't know what it is. Peace out, everybody.